How to find Facebook ad examples. Here are socialmediaonlinemarketing.com. We look up Facebook ad examples to find out more about our customers' competition. This helps us to come up with the best copywriting hacks for our clients. When working on new Facebook advertising campaign, make it a habit to check out the Facebook ads example. You will find the link below. As you look at the ad exampled, you will be able to better understand how other businesses set up their ads. You will learn to improve your Facebook ads and become inspired to come up with better ads. We would suggest you download our Facebook ads marketing guide. It's free and all you have to do is sign in to download it. The link is also below. In 2019, Facebook released their ads library to create additional transparency around the ads any specific Facebook page is promoting. You can type in any brand name and pick a location to see what ads they're running. Occasionally you will only see a fraction of all the live ads created that will become visible. However, it's still better than nothing as you will still find ads running or ads which have ended by your competition, brand or service. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you are looking for a video like for your business, please contact us at the link below. Enjoy and continued success. Social media online marketing, courses, web design, video marketing, mobile app and Facebook Messenger marketing and setup. Once again, hit the link below to download our free Facebook ads guide when you sign in.